Hello students, in this video I will teach you chapter number 3 from English grammar. The name of the chapter is Nouns, Gender. This video is going to be very short because all I'll do is explain the 4 different kinds of genders, and I will explain you how every exercise that is there in your book has to be done. And then after the video is over, all the answers of the exercises of the bookwork will be sent to you. Please do the bookwork in your books only. What you will do in your notebook is that you will write down the notes given about the 4 different types of gender in your notebook. I'll now start with teaching. Nouns have 4 different types of genders. There are 4 types of genders in nouns: masculine, feminine, neuter, and common. Now let's learn about them in details. So the first type of gender is masculine gender. A noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be of the masculine gender. Any person or animal which is a male is called masculine gender. For example, man, boy, uncle, son, brother, king, lion. So these people and animal, they are all male, so they are called masculine gender. Feminine gender. A noun that denotes a female person or animal is said to be of the feminine gender. Any person or animal who is a female comes under the feminine gender. For example, woman, girl, queen, aunt, lioness. There is a typing mistake. I have written queen instead of queen. So please keep that in mind. When you're writing it in your notebook, make the correction. Don't make this mistake. The next type of gender is neuter gender. A noun that denotes a thing without life, that is neither male nor female, is said to be in the neuter gender. Anything which is neither a male nor a female. Basically common nouns. Anything which is a non-living thing and it is neither a male or a female is called neuter gender. For example, car, chair, table, desk, pen. These are non-living things and they neither fall in the category of male nor in the category of female. So that's it about neuter gender. Moving on to the last type of gender, common gender. A noun that denotes either a male or female is said to be of the common gender. So basically a common noun which can be a male or a female comes under common gender. For example, student. Now student can be a male also or a female also. Child, friend, pupil, parent, teacher. All these common nouns, they can either be male or female. So that's why they come under the common genders category. Now once again, let's revise the 4 different types of genders that we have studied about. Okay, so there are 4 types of genders: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine means any person or animal who is a male comes under the masculine gender. Feminine, any person or thing that is a female comes under the feminine gender. Example of masculine can be a boy, man, king, lion, and example of a feminine can be woman, girl, aunt, queen, etc. Now comes common gender. In common gender, we talk about non-living things. For example, chair, pencil, pen, where they are neither male or female. And lastly comes the neuter gender. In neuter gender, a person can be male also or a female also. Examples are student. Student can be a male or a female. Child can be a baby boy or a baby girl. And a teacher can be a female or a male. So I hope you have understood the difference between these 4 genders. Now moving on, there are few exercises given in your books. I will just explain it to you that how we solve these exercises. After this video, the answers will be sent. Please do the exercises in your books only. In your notebook, you will only write the difference or the definition that is given in the notes of the 4 different types of genders with their examples. So in the first exercise, change the following from masculine gender to feminine gender. There are words given which are of the masculine gender and we have to change it to feminine. First one is tiger. Tiger changes to tigress. Duke changes to duchess. Waiter changes to waitress. God changes to goddess. And lion changes to lioness. In the next exercise, we have to give the feminine gender of these nouns. In the first one, so now I'll directly read out how it changes. Governor changes to governess. Prince changes to princess. Cock changes to hen. Gander changes to goose. Lord, lady. Tiger, tigress. Actor, actress. Duke, duchess. Monk, nun. Colt, filly. Master, mistress. Fox, vixen. Sir, madam. Earl, countess. Stag, hind. So all these answers have to be learnt which are there in the boxes, because otherwise you will not be able to write. You will not get options to choose. In the third exercise, we have to change the gender of the nouns in bold to their opposite gender and rewrite these sentences. So you have sentences in this exercise and nouns are written in bold letters. What we have to do is change the gender and rewrite the sentence. Queen changes to king. Woman changes to man. Uncle's aunt changes to aunt's uncle. Washerman changes to washerwoman. Hostess changes to host. Shepherdess changes to shepherd. Duchess changes to duke. Actor changes to actress. Mare changes to horse. Peahen changes to peacock. Heroine changes to hero. Queen changes to king. Colt changes to filly. Cow changes to bull. Mother changes to father. And woman changes to man. I have just written the words. You can also write just the words in your book because you're doing it in the book. But otherwise, when you're writing the answer in exams or tests, you will have to write the entire sentence again. In the next exercise, rewrite the following sentences using the right word. Sentences are given and accordingly you will have to choose the gender of the noun. I have ticked. Her grandfather took out his shawl from the cupboard. Father lost his bag in the train. The woman felt the loss of her dear husband. The girl saved her brother from falling down and his daughter-in-law was wearing a beautiful sari. So here the exercise comes to an end. Moving on to the fifth exercise. Take the words which indicate neuter gender and circle those in common gender. Poetess. Poetess is feminine, so I have just written F. You don't have to do anything, but still I have mentioned it. Goose. Goose is also feminine and heroine as well. Orphan is common gender and so that's why we circle it. Earl is male, so we write M. We don't have to do anything, but still I've mentioned. Friend, baby, reporter, they are common genders because they can be a male also and a female also. Footballer is also common, but hospital, pillow and pencil, they are neuter gender because they are neither male nor female. Moving on to the last exercise, read the following sentences and state whether the words printed in bold are of feminine, masculine, neuter or common gender. So in this exercise, sentences are given and nouns are written in bold letters. We have to write down which category of gender it falls into. The first two nouns, battalion and taxi, are of neuter gender. Next two, widower and gander, they are of masculine gender. Filly and priestess is of feminine gender. And tutor and companion is of common gender. So here the chapter comes to an end and the exercises have also been done. One thing that you have to keep in mind is that there are boxes given and the masculine and feminine genders of the words of the nouns are also given. You will have to do the learning part. If you don't learn it, you will not be able to write the answers. Why? Because options will not be given. So in case there are doubts or if there is anything you do not understand, please feel free to clear them. Now when you're learning the genders, there might be few words that you don't understand or you haven't heard of. I suggest please Google the pictures so that you understand better. And even after that, if you don't understand, then please clear your doubts from me. That's it for the chapter and the video. Thank you so much for the patience, all of you.